Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet. Should be in an intraday scanner. By using the sheet, we can plan for a trade opportunities like weekly positional, monthly positional, and intraday. So the weekly positional and the monthly positional, it works based on my advanced option strategy, and intraday it's based on the technical indicator. So if you requested for an intraday, that's why we have added the sheet. And if you want to take a trade, and we have some comments, that's okay. Someone who are after market hours, anyone can tell. So that is the comments, no problem. So if you want to practice this sheet to get to find your trade opportunity, you need to put your effort at least to find out a trade opportunities. No one can give you the perfect trades to you in front of you to take this one, buy here and sell there, you will be getting profit. Not like that. Market is always ultimate and we need to work on to make profit. So if I don't want to do any workout for this, and sure you will be not getting any profit. Because even if you are going to take this kind of workouts and the sheet to make, it's a lot of work required. Okay, so you can just message me in a single line. After market you can do. So if you want to take a trade opportunity, you just came to live session which we are connecting, and you can find out the live session and how I am finding out the trade. And you can also use your own strategies from this list of stocks. We can get a lot of stocks which triggers our entry point. So tracking and or finding out the trade opportunity is very important. That you need to do. Okay, no one can phone speed you, right? So here this week we got a lot of stocks which triggers our entry point that given more than 30-40% return in the option premium. Some of the streets which gain going downside also. You need to check and you need to follow the rules. What are the rules is simply about a fresh breakout after 9:30. So I don't want to follow all the trades which shown in this sheet. I need to find out as per my way. So for example, if I'm expecting a Kodak Bank is going to be down and the Google sheet also showing it the same, then I can go for. Okay, this is not a suggestion or it is not providing you any tips for you to take a trades. You need to apply your knowledge on this sheet and those stock which trading in the top, and you can apply your analysis. Then you can take a trade. So if anyone can make you profit for you, that's not an right thing. So if you are expecting anyone can make a profit for you, there is a maybe you lose your capital too. You need to plan your trading style. And one more important thing, each and everyone is a different, and each and everyone capital also be different, and trading style also be different. Okay, so you can't follow anyone exactly at 100%. If you agree, then hit your like button on this video. Even you are asking you providing the P&L statement, verified P&L statement. How did you know verified P&L statement? Only last 1 year back only you know about verified P&L. Okay, so previously you learned or you just are believing that is screenshot and other things. Even I don't put any screenshot here, and also I don't uh, want to show my profit because I am not trading. So 100% I tell you myself, because I am a franchisee holder, I have more than 50-60 clients who are trading under my franchisee. To do run the franchisee business, we need to have some discipline. Okay, we don't need to do our own trade. If you are doing your own trade, you can't able to run your franchisee business, because I am doing my franchisee business from 2013. So in this last 10 years, what I've learned, that only I'm teaching you, because I learned not from my mistake. I learned a lot of from my clients and others' mistakes, because this is a market. So we need to make laws, then only learn. It's not like that. So even if you are interested, you can learn without trading also. So my point and my business is about a franchisee business, and I don't have to provide you my trading reports and trading business. Even sometimes I can update you some screenshot, because those people who are attend my classes, They make money and they will share with me. And with their permission only I can share there. Lot of people who are sharing me that screenshot of the profit also. I'm not marketing the screenshot because they make money by using their own strategy also, but they are some courtesy. That's why they're sharing with me because they learned something from me. So that is the reason mainly we are giving you the screenshot, but most of the time I'm not providing you the screenshot also to understand about the concept. So if you are a trader, you need to become only one trader, because I am just watching and tracking for some 30-40% people's position. So if I'm taking my own trade, I can't able to track others' position because they believe me. That's why they opened an account with me. It's not about a referral. Okay, it should be a trust. They are opening an account and they are doing with me and with my guidance also. Someone who take the guidance, someone who was not taken. Okay, so after market hours, if you are telling you anything, everyone can tell you after market hours. So if you want to understand how I'm doing and how I'm picking the stock, you just learn with my live session. You can join my live session. It's free only. I'm not charging for that. Okay, I think Safiqullah, you are commented. So I already messaged you. And if you wish, and you can run a franchisee business and you can provide you the screenshot of your own profit. That time I can also make it the same because I learn from you on. Because when I'm doing in a business, because this is what my earnings that I'm taking from my franchisee. Okay, so almost 10 years. There is a two choices for me to select whether by income by through trading or income by providing or facilitate the market. So I choose the second way. I doing that on a right way, not like you take a position and closed it. So if you have a discipline, you will be making money in trading also. But mostly the people doesn't have a discipline. If I'm stop my franchisee business, sure I can trade, but I don't need to provide you. If I'm making consistent money from by trading, then why I'm going to give you the profit screenshots to you? There is no issues. So if I'm giving you profit screenshot, I'm expecting something from you. So that is a thing which you have to understand. So a lot of people who are doing trading with me, and I am a franchisee holder, and also I'm learning the market from the day one. What I learned in the last 10, 12 years, because the first 3 years I was doing with working on a company. From that experience only, I was started a franchising. Okay, and me side by side, I'm improving myself and improving my quality and knowledge also by completing lot of exams with the related to the market. Anyone who are sharing the pre profit screenshot, they don't need to be a certified or they don't need to be a registered. Okay, when they made a profit, their screenshot they can share you. Okay, so I'm not trading, then how I can provide you the screenshot? Maybe in a month, 2 times or 3 times, which I'm sharing a screenshot. It's about the student who are interestingly sharing with me. Okay, so if you want, so some negative comments which came to my channel, I am very happy because I am growing right now. Okay, so previously only positive comments, it's not affect me. If I'm getting a lot of negative comments, I think some people are watching me and I am growing. Thank you for such a kind of comments. But this video is for to the weekly update. So the next week, and I can tell you next week, as per my positional concept, I'm not going to take a position after 15th of the month. But is there any people who are stop trading after 15th of the month? No, they can trade up to 28th of the month itself. That is what the expiry date. We have some discipline that we follow. That is what is shown in the monthly positional. You can see almost 16 stock as of now, more than 50%. I don't want all the 15 stocks to trade. 3 to 4 stocks in a month is good enough. That is what my teaching on my student. If you're really interested, you can join on the class. Okay, and weekly positional also, I'm not suggesting you to take 10-20 stocks, 3 to 4 stocks. Monday, Tuesday only you can focus that, and you can manage the positions. How to manage? So you know well, the stock which triggers M&M Finance that got a stop loss trigger. And the people who are attending my classes, they know well how to hedge it, and before taking the trade, they know what is the hedging strategy, and I show you that But people always want to money very quick and fast without hedging and other things. Correct. I'll show you. You can see M&M Finance 1600. I know that was a stop loss trade. Call option. In 5 minutes, I think so. We are taken around 60 rupees. The same day, 1600 call option. It's about 15 minutes. Yeah, here. This day, as per our entry point, so we took two trades, weekly basis as well as monthly basis. Sorry, daily basis. Daily basis, we took around 41. Same day, it went up to 72. Those who are followed the daily strategy, they may be ending with profit. Someone who are taken on monthly, weekly positional around 60 rupees, the same day, it went to 72 intraday players. But after this trade, it was keep on moving and it went to maximum 9 rupees from 60, almost 50 points down. Okay, so those who know about the hedging strategy, if you are looking the put side, if you are doing a hedging in the beginning of the trade, you may be getting some opportunity from 7 rupees and it went up to 38 to almost 30 points, bit more. Maybe whatever the strategy which you plan, that may be going to give you some what we say, some edge. Then after your stop loss trigger, if you are putting another one more lot, or you can manage the trade by 2.1 or 3.2, or even a future option strategy or SBB strategy, whatever the thing which you can plan, and it may be a profitable one. So finally, but last week is the market is entirely down week, so we don't get a more call side. We have a lot of put side. So one or two stocks is good enough. Reliance, HDFC Bank, and ICICI Banks are good and quality stock which given you the entry and targeted. So what people think, so if the scanner, it will work for 100%. It is a scanner. Some of them are also asking you the accuracy about the scanner. How I can provide you the accuracy of the scanner? I think whenever the stock triggers, the 80% of the time the stock moves up. That's a concept. But whether which trade you are taken, maybe someone who taken only one trade with the stop loss trade is 100% less than means a minus 100%, right? Accuracy. If someone to take 4 positions, 3 got triggered target and 1 got triggered stop loss, 75% accuracy. It's about a purely stock selection, right? So if you are thinking over a stock that you are looking for maybe a bullish, if the screener also showing you the bullish, you can go for. Or else if you are thinking bearish, the screener shows bullish, simply ignore it. And if some stocks, if you are giving you all the stocks entry, so we can't take all the stocks, right? We can take all the stocks because margin, then liquidity also we need to check. So lot of things we need to work because market is not giving you the money in very easiest way. We need to do some workouts and some works that's it's giving you the result as a profit. Okay, so people would think that when they know how to place a buy order and how to place a sell order, they think that they know market. Market is not like that. So before buying that, you need to know many things, and before selling that also, you need to know many things. You need to work on that. Buying and selling, plus or minus, is the easiest one. Even a second class student can understand. But why we are buying, where we are buying, what is the concept? That you need to know. Okay. So the comment which you are giving a negative comment, I always welcome. But this is my and this is my business, and I'm doing with a disciplined way because I'm not making money from the market. I'm doing money through market. Okay, so if I'm stop my business, I can do one trade. So I have a capital, arranging the capital. Once I arrange the capital, I can daily making money from market, or at least in a monthly I can make money from the market. Then why I can give you and why I can get you from you. Okay, so that's a concept. And if you want to know more, you can ping me on the comment box. If you have any negative comments, welcome, just ping me here, I can reply you. Maybe some of the people who are giving you positive comment, I'm not giving you the response. Don't mistake me because you are good to my channel. No problem, you'll be always there. If you are giving any negative comment, I will give you a reply immediately. Okay, so this is what a video which I'm going to give you the comments video. That one, someone who commented on my video. So again, we can update for the sheet for the next week. Okay, so I'm going to run the sheet right now. So it will be automatically updated for the next week data, and I will be getting the full data for next week. So I'm just running right now. This is not happening in a single day, so we have to taken a lot of time to build the sheet. And if you want to access the sheet, just ping me on the chat box. or you can WhatsApp me, and the number is shown on this video itself, and you will be getting. Okay, yeah, that's what now updated. So some stocks, Alchem Laboratories 3560 on weekly positional, it is not a liquid. So currently trading 425, but our entry point. So simply avoid the stocks. So the remaining stock. So a lot of stock which is available here. But one more important thing you need to get understand is about to next week is the expiry week, only 4 days. So as per my strategy, we are not playing any trades, and we simply avoiding the 4 days, last 4 days trades. But if you are interested, because if I'm giving you some suggestion, it's not uh, you need to follow, whether you need to follow or not to follow, which depends on you. But my suggestion, so as per my students, as per my strategy, so we are not planning any trades on the last week. And if you want, you can. And monthly positional still should be the same, and weekly daily. So you get a lot of stock. This is are not liquid ones, and this side this is are also not liquid ones. So after 9:30, if you want to focus for a trading, so you can go for the sheet, or else as a positional trader, as per my concept which you are following, simply avoid the trade and just wait for the market. And from first of the month, we can apply our advanced option strategy, positional basis. We monthly 2 or 3 trades or 4 to 5 trades, and weekly 2 to 3 trades. That's good enough. So almost in the monthly positional, we have a lot of stocks, more than 70 stocks. 70. I need to find a 3 or 4 one from this list. If you are ready, and if you are having that discipline, you can follow this. If you don't have a discipline, you can't follow this. Thank you for watching, and I need to show you that comment. Let's wait. YouTube. I'll show you that comment. So I have already shared you. So if you want to take that, you can join on my class also. No problem. Okay, so if you want to learn more, you just join with me, and you can connect with me also in the WhatsApp number. Yeah, this is what a comment. So I am very happy to this comment. Soficula A.S191298. So thank you for such a kind of comment. You are smart. Yes, I am always smart. You are only explaining, not trade. So if I'm doing the trade, that time I can't explain. After market, anyone can explain. Yes, after market, everyone can explain. In a live market, very difficult to know. That's why you are not a trade like this all 52. So each and every month, we are doing not only for this 52-week high. So we have a data. I will show you the data, how long I follow the strategy. This is one of the sheet which I'm going to share you only for my student to know you. Every month I'm working for my student. You can see this is from, I think, 2020. The tea market is going down in February. After that, slowly recovering. So we are doing from 2020. The sheet is started. Okay, almost 3 years we are following the same strategy. That's giving you some good benefit. If the strategy not given you good benefit, I can't able to teach the class because it's not working. Because it is working more than 3 years. Even I was started the same thing from 2014 and sorry 2017. But 2017 we have a lot of issue for the margin benefits. Around 2020, after only we have a margin benefit for hedging futures with option. Previously we don't have. Even any broker don't have the calculations. If you're buying a future, you need to pay separate margin. If you're buying option, you need to pay separate margin. And future loss would be debited from your trading account, and option profit would be only settled once you are exiting your position. That is what the rules, which is before 2020. After 2020, so we have a rules. Margin benefit should be given if the position is aged. So that strategy right now it is working. That is even better. If you know that, maybe you are maybe a new trader, so you don't understand this concept. I have already replied you. So if you want to know more that, you just simply watch our live session. Hope you have not watched my live session. Just I am suggesting you join my tomorrow's live session. Hope you will understand. Yesterday live session also we are planning some trades. Maybe stop loss and target is different. So Canara Bank, which we are discussing about in the early morning, 11.4. That went. Whether you are taken a 12 rupees exit at 18 exit or 24 exit, 22 exit, that depends on your mindset. Maruti, which we are given buy opportunity, which we find out on the first 1 hour live session, that gives Whether you are waiting for this kind of target or not, that depends. Okay, here we find out Bajaj Auto initially it given lower and then second time only it given you such a big opportunity because we can't predict a market. We can expect that can be up. And L&T, these are all the four trades and PFC, which is also we have taken initially it given a bounce back and after that it reaches but 15 minutes low is not broken but finally it given a result. So these are all the trades which I selected based on my Google sheet. If you want to know more, after learning, then you comment or I'm just welcome you to make such a kind of comments. Thank you so much, Safiqullah. Yes, 19129. Thank you. So you can make such a kind of comments. Thank you so much. It may be a video for your comment and also myself. I'm explaining what I'm doing exactly. So and I developed my knowledge from uh, conducting NISM certificates. Certification also I'm holding. Okay, so what are the certification I'm holding right now? I'm holding three certification at this moment. Okay, these are my certifications to develop my knowledge, not to provide you the tips, not to provide you to make it rich. To develop my knowledge, I am holding some certificates. So look for this. I'm a equity derivative holder and a mutual fund distributor and research analyst. I am having a certificate and I have already having previously having investment advisor. Right now it is expired. So every 3 years we need to renew this if you want to make. This is not to make money from that. So for my knowledge, I'm just completing this and finally I got it. So currently my mutual fund research equity derivative or the current certification having validity minimum up to 2025. That is what my expiry. After 2025, I need to renew that. These are all my qualification. My qualification in graduate in BSc microbiology. By interest, I joined this and I improve my knowledge. Maybe you are doing such a kind of thing or not. As a trader, it may not be. But as a franchise holder, I am doing a lot of things by using because I like this subject and I like this business. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and thank you.